This is the story of a little raindrop with a very big dream. High up in the clouds lived a tiny raindrop named Drippy. He was small, shiny, and curious. One day, the wind whispered, "It's time to go." Drippy felt scared, but he leaped from the cloud. Down, down, down he fell, past birds, leaves, and rooftops. Everything looked so big and new. Drippy landed on a soft green leaf and met other raindrops. Together, they giggled and slid down into a puddle. The puddle flowed into a sparkling stream, then into a big river. Drippy was amazed at how far he had come. Drippy realized he was a part of something bigger. His big adventure had just begun. From cloud to river, Drippy learned being brave brings the best adventures.